Oh, how's it going, everyone? All right, so we're back into here. Had them on for about a week. What we're gonna do is, if you remember in the last video, there was mediums in here. So we're gonna put the deeps in here, and we're going to change the frames out and put the medium frames in this medium box, and put the deep frames back down here. So they have almost ate all of their syrup. They're eating this protein patty, so that looks good. We're gonna give them a couple of bananas. We got some drawn comb and some foundation that's heavy waxed. Some bees started drawing on this last year. That we're going to put down in here, so that will be good. And we're going to give them a couple of empty frames. We don't need all these for down here, so that they will start drawing. We'll give them some food. Alright, so they got, so see, they're starting to build comb down here, and that's why we didn't want them to get going on that too much. So we're going to watch for the queen. If we see her, we're going to keep her in this bottom box, because I don't want to move her and get her lost. But she's doing well. There's brood right here. She has all this young brood. The larvae that's not capped over, it'll be capped over in a couple days. And again, it's hatching out larvae eggs in here, and they're starting to build, so that is a good sign. So they've just been on these mediums. Brood, they got stores here. Oh, it's a capped brood. Honey right here. We'll remove this comb that they're building on. We're looking for the queen, just so that we don't knock her off. We don't want to lose her, just until we can get it transferred over. There you go, there's a lot. So they got eggs. She's laid eggs all down in here, and this one, which is fine. We'll remove it and get her the space that she's wanting and this colony's wanting. They're definitely wanting to build, so that is a good thing. It'll be nice. Keep the food on them. They will probably finish this protein patty up very quickly. Give them a tiny blow so you can move the bees out. In here, this is all capped brood right here. This is capped honey, and we got the larvae down here. Looking very good. And here's our deep frame that we put in. So we added this in last week. And right now they've gotten it polished. They're putting a little bit of food in it, a little bit of the stores. They got this polished up though, looking good. And we'll keep this food next to them here. Alright, so down here what we're going to do is give them a foundation, let them draw that. We're going to put that on the outside. We have some drone comb. We're going to put that here. A nice old foundation. Another foundation. Don't get this cleaned up. It has a little bit of wax moth in here, but not too much. So that will look nice. We're going to scoot these over. I said, nope, it won't fit with that feeder in, so we'll give them that for right now. That'll be alright. We're going to remove the feeder fact, I'll just remove it now. We're going with top feeders on these. Right here. Better yet, I'm going to let them finish that and then we'll remove it. So we're going to keep these frames out here. And then that way we'll put in 2 more extra frames to replace that feeder the next time that we're out here. So now we'll put this one on top of here. So this is the medium one. They line up good. And what we're going to do is, since we are in building, we don't want to separate the brood too much. But we're going to put we're nice going forward. So we'll give them 2 empties, just like that, and they'll draw that up nice. Get that put on them. Put this pollen patty right here. And so that's just something that we make ourselves. They do well with it. We don't give a lot, just enough what we think they will eat shortly. We don't want the beetles to get into it. And then this comb right here we'll just take back with us. That'll be all right. So there's this one. We're gonna give them 2 bananas. We just put the bananas right here just like this. We leave the pill on here. Some of them will eat the pill, some of them won't. It just depends. We smash it on here though, they'll eat it, and then here, that's probably all they will have for this. We're getting pretty good pollen coming in now, so that's a good thing. And they'll probably quit eating that, so now we will fill up their food bucket. This is just a 1-to-1. It's actually a little lighter than 1-to-1. To keep them building, keep them on the track that they're going. And stick it just like that over the hole. Put the brick back on. And there you go. So they're looking good. We got that one over there fed already up. And this one's doing good too. So that's how they're looking. They'll get back in their home. We're going to open this up a little bit more. There we go. Alright, well, they are ready for spring. That's how they're doing. You guys have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.